What's going on, folks? This is Wesley billion dollar Virgin with another video. I'm going to show you. Check this out. Imagine this. Imagine going to YouTube.com and basically never uploading a video, okay? Never recording any videos on YouTube, but making $6,000. Listen, you don't have to sell anything. You can have 0 subscribers, 0 views on YouTube. And what I want to do is I want to show you how you don't have to show your face at all and make tons of money. I'm talking about $2,000 to $10,000 per month. This is very simple, but listen, you have to follow every step that I'm going to show you in the video. What I want to do before we get started here, I want you to comment these words below. I can do this. Listen, to make money online, yes, skill level is important, but you must believe that where you are right now, that you can make money online. So I want all of you, I'm talking about you, big head, to comment below, I can do this. Let's go. And remember, always sub to the channel because every single day I do a new video to show you different strategies on how to make money online very simply by taking massive action here. So please smash the like button. Let's go. Okay, so look, this is all you have to do. You go to youtube.com. I'm already here on my page here. As you can see, I love you, which I do. And this is the reason why I'm going to give you the strategy here. So basically, we go to youtube.com. We here. And what you want to do is you want to search in what is called the self-development niche. So some things about the self-development niche is like how to boost confidence, right? How to boost confidence. And you're going to see a bunch of videos like this, right? Now listen, like I said before, you don't have to record a video on this website, on YouTube. You don't have to upload any videos. You don't have to show your face. You can have 0 views. You can be a brand new person online. And this is a backdoor way that many people make money online as a newbie, okay? And we're talking about up to $6,000. Some people are making $10,000 per month. And I'm going to show you undeniable proof. So listen close here. So what you want to do is find a video in the self-help niche, right? Like confidence or how to program my mind for success, right? Because we all want to be successful, right? So you're going to look through these videos here. And what you want to do is find a video. And all you're going to do is this. Let me give you an example. Like I'm going to give you one video that I recommend. This is one of my videos. And it is how to program your mind for wealth and success in less time. And as a matter of fact, as a gift to you, I'm going to leave that video in the description below so you'll get a fast-paced start to start making money, okay? You're going to watch this video. You see that lovely black brother from Houston, Texas, right? Well, you're going to watch that video. You're going to click play. Hey, folks. You're going to watch it. And all you're going to do is you're going to take notes, right? You're going to learn from the video. Does that make sense? You're going to learn from that video. And then you're going to go to the site that I'm going to show you in about 2 seconds here. And you're going to do something fascinating. And this site is going to pay you. Some people are making like $5, $10 to $20 per minute on this site by basically taking knowledge, okay? You're going to take the knowledge from YouTube, which is free, and you're going to create something very magical on another website. But let me show you something different. Say if you're like a fitness person. Say if you got a 6-pack. Say if you're sexy. I don't know. Say if you work out. So you're going to go into what is called fitness videos. So how to create abs in 90 seconds here, okay? You see that? Boom, boom, boom. Oh, that's a Wesley Virgin video, right? So this is one of my videos I did a year ago. I mean like several years, 8 years ago. And basically this video is just a workout ab video. Now listen, it's a 3-minute video. You watch it, right? You record exactly what I taught, and you're going to go to the site that I'm going to show you, and you basically are just going to create something magical, okay? Does that make sense? Are you with me? Let's go! Hey, smash the like button if you can hear me clearly here. Now, step number 2. Now, the name of the site is called Skillshare, okay? Are you with me? Give me 1 second. Let me minimize this a little bit so you can see everything clearly here, okay? So it's Skillshare.com. Basically, what you're going to do as a newbie is go to YouTube, right? For example, you watch a Wesley Virgin video about how to program your mind for wealth and success in less time, right? You take notes. And what you're going to do based off that video is create a course here. And Skillshare is going to pay you. See, the great thing about this site, now listen here. I'm going to show you how tons of people are making money online so fast, as Skillshare does the marketing for you. All you have to do is create the course. And guess what? You're creating the course based off information that's already for free. Okay? Does that make sense? Let me prove it to you, because I know you're like, well, Wesley, what do you mean? Listen. If I go to browse here, okay, and as a matter of fact, let's type in self-development, okay, better yet, let's type in how to program my mind for wealth, okay. These are people that already have courses on here that are making a ton of money, and I'm going to show you what the average person that gets started right now, the type of money they make in the first 30 to 60 days by doing this, okay. Now listen. You got to take action. You got to work, okay? If you don't work, you're not going to make any money. I'm going to be honest with you, okay? You have to put in the work. I'm going to give you the strategy. All of you, if you agree to put in the work, go ahead and smash the like button. If you agree right now that you're going to put in the work, it's very simple. You can do this from your bedroom, your car, your couch, even your toilet, and do this, okay? So if you look here, you see 825 students have already jumped into this law of attraction course. Now, if I go to premium here, these are people, because that's what you're going to do. You're going to create a course. It's going to be premium. And people, students, millions of people every single day go to Skillshare. Now, I know what you're thinking. You may say, well, what does the average person make? Let me show you. Look, if you do a Google search, it says, how much does Skillshare teachers make? And the great thing about being a teacher, you don't have to have a certification. You could be 14, 15, 30, 40. It doesn't matter. Remember what I told you. You go here, you watch a video that's for free on YouTube, and you're going to reteach and create a course based off the video. Does that make sense? You can do this in 24 to 48 hours, okay? Right now. So if you look here, the average person makes about, look at that, $200 a month or up to $10,000 a month here. Like imagine, what would you do with $10,000 per month just by taking simple actions on this website? And it's basically free to do, right? All you have to do is go here and create the course. So check it out. Let me walk you through the process. So you go here and you click start a class, okay? Start a class. See how easy that was, right? And all you do is upload your videos. Like once you create the course, okay? And you might say, well, Wesley, I don't know how to create a course. No problem. Look. Say if we're creating a course on mindset, okay? On this teachers, I'm sorry. Oh no, that's good. So look at it, your success mindset here. You go here, you go to free courses, that's all, right? And you see what this person did right here? You take a popular course, you see, this is the course. Visualization, vision statement, guided visualization, and that's it. You name the video, upload the video, and then you let Skillshare do the marketing. Does that make sense? It's just that easy. Look, smash the button if you can do this right now. Listen, you don't have to be an expert at anything. All you have to do is watch some information, take notes, and take the information and move that information to Skillshare and start making money tonight. I mean, I know some people that do this now, they make money sooner than later because they just take massive action. Listen, you don't have to have any views on YouTube. You don't have to have any skill. You take other people's information, right? And you just craft it to your own and you start making money online. And let me show you something that's like, it's going to blow your mind here. So let's go back to Skillshare. Okay. Right here. Okay. You see this here? So when you scroll down, you need to click on become a teacher. It's very important. Okay. You become a teacher. Okay. And these are all the people, teachers right now. They're working from home. They're younger and older people, and they're making a ton of money. And a lot of these people, they had no skill. They did exactly what I showed you that you're going to do right now. They just went to YouTube. They found maybe in the fitness niche here or in the mindset, self-development niche here. And they just watched the video and they recreated that course based off the video. And now they're getting paid a bunch and ton of money right here. Does that make sense? Now, all you have to do is you have to create an account. You're going to create a premium account, okay? And listen, you got 7 days, and then you can cancel it because, listen, it doesn't cost any money to be a teacher. So don't pay Skillshare no money. It is free. You take your 14-day free trial and you just cancel it. Does that make sense? Can I get a let's go? So listen, I know what you're thinking. Wesley, I can do this. This is Wesley, $1 billion Virgin. Let's go! Motivated, dedicated, leg out.